Minishi ma'am, Jai Gurudeo everyone. I hope you are taking very good care of yourself. So students, today I will explain your second lesson, work and play. I yesterday sent image of this lesson, and whatever I will explain today, I will send image of that person also. So work and play means in this lesson two parts. First one is work and second one is play. Work means whatever we do in our home, and whatever we do, any activities, whatever we do anywhere, that is work. And play, whatever we do for the enjoyment, for the recreation of our mind, that is play. So family members do so many jobs at home, means who are living in our family are our family members. They do so many jobs, means mom does other work, dad does other work, sister does other work, brother, everyone has their titles and their work. Are they paid for that? Means who are doing work in home, so they are getting payment for it? Yes or no? No, because whatever we are doing in our home, that is our responsibilities for each and everyone and for ourselves also. They do them because they care for their family and love them. Means whatever work family members are doing, this is their responsibilities, and why? And they also love and care to their family members. So they do many work in home, and this is their responsibility. But the work that we do to earn money becomes our occupation. Means we are doing a lots of work in our home, but we are not getting or not taking money for it. But whatever work we do to get money, to earn our salary, that is our occupation. Means who are doing any work and in return they are getting money, so that is known as occupation. Okay, clear? Means whatever work we do in our home, it means that is our responsibilities and our duties for our family members and for ourselves also. But whatever work we are doing in any other place and in return we are getting money for it, that is occupation. It's okay. And second, all of us have to work. Everyone have their work. We may work either for ourselves or work for other people. It means whatever we are doing, whatever work we are doing, that is for us or for any other member. Some of us work for a group or an organization. Means some persons, they are doing work for a group, means more than 3, 4, 5 people, there is a group, and some people are doing work for a group. Okay, and second one is, and some people doing work for any organization. Suppose our MVM is an organization, many employees are doing work there. So some people doing work, suppose there is a shopkeeper, some boys are doing work there, means it is a group of some people, and more than means majority is in very good amount. So many people are doing work in an organization. Okay. So earlier men used to be the only earning members in family. In ancient time, people doing work, means जो men थे ना, they were doing work, they for their earning. They were only earning member of the family. About 50 years back, before 50 years, women were discouraged from working outside the house. It was thought of ancient time that no woman will go out to do any work. It is the responsibilities of only the man. Their job was to produce and raise children. And what was the work of women that time? They only produce and raise children, means they only produce children, and they are doing activities, they are doing a lots of work for their children and for the family members. But as time changed, now time has changed. So, but with changing times, women are not working in offices. But what happens sometimes? Women are not working in offices, hospitals, factories, etc. Means in other fields they were doing work, but women were not doing work in offices, hospitals and factories. In fact, they are doing much more than before. Means whatever women doing before, earlier time, before 50 years, what were women doing? They were living in their home, and whatever they were doing, they did all the duties for the family members only. But now atmosphere has totally changed. So they are looking after the house as well as earning and supporting their family. Nowadays what women are doing? They are also doing works outside from the home and also supporting in economical background also to the family members. Means now women are doing work in both field. Means in home also they are doing a lot of work, and in except home they are doing work in another field. Okay, in out of the home. So beta, next is, there are some more people in our community who help us in many ways and get for that, and many members are doing work in our community and they are getting money in return. So a lots of occupation for whom I will explain tomorrow. So if you have any doubt till this point, you have to ask me in my WhatsApp, otherwise call me, and whatever I explain, I will send image of this portion. Okay, take care of yourself. Jai Gurudev.